Yeah, hello students. How are you? I hope you all are well. Students, today we will learn chapter number 14. Chapter number 14, that is volume and nets. Volume and nets, these are our learning objectives. Now, class, let's start the chapters. Write the shape that these solid objects represent. So, class, shape, cone, circle, cube. Okay. Now, see class, find the volume of the following by counting the blocks. Now class, volume. These are the shapes and volume. The shape, the space occupied by something is known as its volume. जो shape होती है class, जो space होती है और जो shape उसको occupy करता है, वो उसका क्या होता है class? Volume होता है. All matters, solid, liquid or gas, okay, occupy space or have volume or have volume. We can measure the volume of any solid by measuring the volume of water it displays. We will discuss that, we will discuss this later, but we measure volume of regular solids like cube and cuboids in terms of small cubes, like small cubes called units cube. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? units cube. The edges of the edges of each cube has a unit length, that is 1 millimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 meter, 1 millimeter, 1 centimeter, and 1 meter. Okay. Now, a grain of sugar is approximately a 1 meter, 1 millimeter cube. It is used to measure volume, very small object. Okay, this is used to measure volume of very small object. A dice is approximate a 1 centimeter cube. A large TV box is approximately 1 meter cube. This is used to measure volume of very large object. Okay. Suppose we want to measure the volume of a tiffin box. We fill it with 1 centimeter cube. Arrange in layer. The total number of cubes that fit into the box is equal to the volume of the box. जितने क्यूब्स उसमें फिट हो जाएंगे तो क्या होंगे? वो उसके इक्वल होंगे, उसके वॉल्यूम के. The total number of cubes in one layer 45, in two layer 90, the volume of 90 cube centimeter. Okay, volume is written in cubic unit, that is cube millimeter, cube centimeter, and cube meter. The cubes in each of these figures make a cuboid. Each cube has edges of one cube. So the volume of each cube is equal to 1 cube centimeter. Count the number of cubes and write the volume of each cuboid. Also write the length, breadth and height of each. Class C. Now, volume is equal to 16 cubes is equal to 16 cube centimeter. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So volume क्या हुआ क्लास इनका? 16 हुआ. Okay, length 1, 2, 3, 4. Breadth 1. Breadth क्या हो गई? 1. Height 1, 2, 3, 4. Understand? Now volume 3 cube centimeter, length 3 cube centimeter, breadth 1 cube centimeter, height 1 cube centimeter. So volume 6, length 3. Volume क्या हुआ हमारा? 6 हुआ. Length 3, breadth 2, length 1 cube centimeter. Okay class. Now see. Yes class. Now come on exercise 14.1. Fill in the blanks. Now class, volume 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So class 12 and it means 24 cube centimeter. Understand? Yes class. Volume 24 cube centimeter, length 1, 2, 3, breadth 2 and height 4. Now B part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 threes are 36 cube centimeter and length 1, 2, 3, 4, breadth 3 and height is also 3. Cube centimeter, cube centimeter and cube centimeter. Rest of the part do yourself class. Now Volume of cuboids and cubes. Look here, there are 20 units of cubes that form a rectangular block as shown figure first, and each side of the cube showing as 1 centimeter. We find the total number of units cubes. Number of units cube lengthwise into number of units cube breadthwise. 4 into 5 into 4, 20. Volume of this cuboid 20 centimeter cube. This cuboid has two layer of unit cubes as shown second class. अब क्लास यहाँ पर क्या थी? यहाँ पर क्या है? 4. Now it has two layers of unit cubes as shown, two layers. Now two number of unit cubes in one layer, two number of units cubes lengthwise into number of unit cubes breadthwise. Now 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4, it is 40. Hence the volume of this cuboid 40. Volume of 3 layer of a cuboid as shown, C class, 3 layer. Now 3 multiplied by number of unit cubes in one layer, 3 multiply number of unit cubes lengthwise and breadthwise multiply. Now 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 40, it is 60. Volume of this cuboid 60 centimeter cube. Therefore total number of unit cubes lengthwise multiply number of unit cubes breadthwise multiply number of layers. Hence volume of cuboid length multiplied by breadth into height. So volume length into B into H. Here length is represented by L, breadth by B and height by H. For a cube, length, breadth and height are all equal. So we write length is equal to breadth is equal to height. Volume of cube, length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. So side into side into side, side cube. Now measurement unit. 1 meter cube, 1 into 1 into 1. So 100 centimeter, 100 centimeter, 100 centimeter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 1 meter cube is equal to 10 lakh centimeter cube. Understand? Now come on exercise 4.2, 14.2. Now question number 1, find the volume of following cuboids. So we will multiply volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So length 8 multiply by 6 multiply by 10. So 8 6 are 48 multiplied by 10, 480 centimeter cube. Understand rest of the part? Do yourself class. Now find the volume of each of the following cubes whose sides are given below. Now class we have to find the volume. Now side volume is equal to side cube is equal to 10. T cube is equal to 1000 centimeter. Understand class? Similarly 30 cube, so it is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27,000. Understand? Centimeter. Rest of the parts do yourself class. Now word problem. Example number 1, the length, breadth and height of a cuboid are 12 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 6.5 centimeters respectively. Find its volume, length of the cuboid, breadth of the cuboid, height of the cuboid. Okay. So volume of the cuboid, length into breadth into height. So we will multiply them and the answer is 624 cube centimeter. Hence the volume of the cuboid is 624 cube centimeter. Understand class? Now class, come on exercise 14.3. Now question number 1, find the volume of a water tank. हमें water tank का एक volume निकालना है class, whose length, breadth and height. Length is 30 meter, breadth 25 meter and height is 15 meter respectively, and it is completely filled. It is completely filled class. Now class see question number 1 solution. Now class, length of water tank class is equal to 30 meter and breadth of water tank is equal to 25 meter. And height of water tank class. Water tank is equal to 15 meter. Understand class? So volume of water tank, volume of water tank is equal to length into breadth into height. So length is 30, breadth is 25 and height is 15. So class, you will multiply 25 multiply by 30. So now class 3 to 6 17, it is 750. Now class multiply by 15. 15. Yes class, 5 zeros are 0, 5 fives are 25, 5, 2, 5 sevens are 35 plus 2, 37. Now 0, 5, 7. 0, 5, 7 plus 5, 12, carry 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11. Now, so the volume is 11,250 meter cube. 11,250 meter cube class. Now class, rest of the part do yourself class. Now, nets of solid shapes. A flat shapes that falls into a solid shapes is called a net. A flat shape that folds into a solid shape, वो क्या होता है class? Net होता है. The shape shown below is the net of a cube. Notice that the net has 6 equal squares, but all flat shapes that have 6 equal squares cannot be folded into a cube. Here are some examples drawn with the flaps. Thus, these makes cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, these do not make cubes. ये अब नहीं बन सकता इससे cube class. See, they also have 6, but these do not make cubes. Okay. Now, a toothpaste box is a cuboid. Open out and flatten a toothpaste box to get its net. You cannot see all the edges. अब आप all edges उसकी नहीं देख पाएंगे of solids like cuboid and cubes. We often show the hidden edges with the dotted lines. With the dotted lines. क्या see? ऐसे तो होता है टूथपेस्ट का जो बॉक्स होता है. See? Cuboids and their nets. Class. See? Open out the lower part of a shoe box or drawer of a matchbox. Drawer of a matchbox, you will get the net of an open box. Class C. Now, here are the nets of some more solids. Understand? Now, drawing solid shapes. We see different views of a solid when we see it from the side, from the top, and so on. Class C. In the corner, view one's edges closer to you than the rest. In the corner, view one edges is closer to you than the rest. Understand now? Top views of the cube and cuboid on the left. Top views. Okay. Now, side views of the solid on the left. On the left class. Now, look at the dots on the right and vertical or slanting line segments between two dots are equal in length. Are equal in length class. You can make equilateral triangle with the line segments. A triangle dot sheet has dot placed in this way class. See, in this way. You can use it to draw the corner view of a solid. The corner view of a solid. Here is a how you can draw corner view on a triangle dot sheet class C. On a triangle first, then you have to be like this. Do like this, then this. Cube of a side 1 centimeter, cuboid length 3 centimeter, breadth 1 centimeter, height 2 centimeter, solid make of 3 cubes. C class 1, 2 and 3. Understand? Now you can draw the corner view of a simple solid by looking at the top and side views. अब हम क्या कर सकते हैं क्लास? View of simple solid by looking at the top and side views. और उसके top and side views को देखकर हम draw कर सकते हैं. Similarly, you can draw the corner view of a simple building from its floor plan and height. Floor plane and height. Now class, top view, view of side, C class. Floor plan and heights 2 units. 1, 2, 3 you can draw like this. And 1, 2, 3 this is a complete. Understand? Now class, come on exercise for 14.4. Come on exercise 14.4. Which nets will fold into a closed box? Class, see. Class, this is not. Yes, this is. We can make it okay with into a closed box. Yes, class. No. Now, class, question number 2. Draw the lines. Draw the following. Question number 2. Draw the following. Cube of side 2 units. Cube of side 2 units, class. And B. Cuboid of height क्या होगी 1 unit. Length क्या होगा 4 units and breadth होगी उसकी 3 units, class. Okay, class. Now, class, this question you have to do yourself. Come on, relation between 1 cube centimeter and 1 milliliter. If we put a 1 centimeter cube or cube whose volume is equal to 1 cube centimeter, we will see that the volume of water spilled is 1 milliliter. 1 cube centimeter is equal to 1 milliliter. 1000 cubic centimeters is equal to 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. Now 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liters. Try to find the volume of one egg and potato. Try to find the volume of potato and egg, class. Okay. Now class, your chapter is completed, prepared very well, and we will meet you in next class. Thank you.